All right, guys, back here at the shop, and not exactly what I need, but another project is coming in here. And if you saw my last video, the Jeep lives. It did pull up on the trailer on its own, so I'm really hoping it'll roll off the trailer and pull in here on its own, because it's just me and I don't want to push it, and not sure if I can. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see if she pulls in. Okay, so seems like we lost some volume here, so I'm going to watch the video with you guys and kind of explain my thinking. This is my 1984 CJ7. It's got the 4.2 liter straight six. It does have here, you can see the shocks. It is lifted. It's got sway bar disconnects. It's a probably 3-inch Skyjacker lift. I just pointed at. It's got a 8,000 pound Smittybilt winch. 33-inch Super Swampers. It's got a best top on there. California Jeep, so it's really clean. Well, it's dirty, but it's pretty solid. Somebody at some point, probably for smog reasons, installed a throttle body kit on it, which I am up in the air on. It makes everything a little more complicated. Kind of wish it was just carbureted, but theoretically it should be stronger and more efficient, but we're yet to see on that. We do have some front engine noise. I am initially thinking it's going to be the power steering pump. Double check the fluid level in that. Also suspicious of the water heater. Here I'm opening the reservoir. It's pretty dirty. I later go ahead and open the radiator itself, and it actually does look a little cleaner there. So I'm not sure if the water pump is a culprit at this point. This is a California Jeep, as I said, which means it's got the serpentine belt set up. This was not the norm in these CJs, but towards the later years, to be more efficient, they went to this, especially in California. So yeah, that all lines up with everything I've heard about this Jeep. I did make myself a little cheat sheet. If you haven't done this before, do it, because trying to get these belts on and figure out the pulleys can be a pain in the butt. So just make a little drawing and it makes it easier. So I've got two idler pulleys here on top of the engine. These are suspicious. They do tend to go bad. And then the power steering and the water pump are suspect as well. Next project will probably be trying to diagnose the hard shifting. The transmission does actually seem to shift just or work correctly. We're just having some sort of hard shift situation, and there is some noise associated. So I'm not sure exactly what all is going on with that. That'll be further down the road. But I am just happy to get in the shop so I can have my tools accessible and really get into stuff and not have to worry about, is it going to rain tonight or things like that. So engine does run great. Transmission does seem to shift. So all this is, pros, because I paid $2,500 essentially as a non-runner. I'd seen videos of it running within the last year and driving on the beach, and there's sand on the seats that confirm that. So yeah, it definitely was California Jeep and has run recently. Here again, I've removed the serpentine belt and I'm looking at the engine and trying to figure out where the front end noise is coming from. So yeah, anyway, we're getting back in the engine compartment, trying to figure out what's going on. I've got the serpentine belt off, and I am spinning all of the pulleys, the water pump, the power steering pump, and surprisingly, the power steering pump was smooth as could be. Right here is one of the idlers. There's another idler. They both have some grind to them, and then also, a little more movement than I think they probably should. The water pump does run smooth and doesn't seem to make any noise at all. So may dodge a bullet on that, but not sure yet. So I'm going to order replacements on both these pulleys, get the serpentine belt reinstalled, and kind of see if we eliminated noise or can figure out where the noise is coming from. So yeah, this is just taking me back to when I was 18 years old and had 3 non-running CJs in my mom's driveway, and the fun I had, tearing them apart, putting them back together, driving off-road, getting into mud pits and trails that were kind of sketchy, and fun that I want to pass on to my boys. So if you're a Jeeper and like tinkering with things, feel free to like, subscribe, stick around. I'm going to have many more videos on this Jeep, and appreciate you watching. Thanks very much.